becoming in charge of Tamil Nadu on my first visit. Today I called upon the DMK President, Shri Stalin, myself and our PCC President, CLP leader. We all had a introductory discussion, more a courtesy call, because we are all in alliance together and Mr. Stalin is the leader of the alliance. And on behalf of Congress, I came to express my wishes to him, and senior leaders of DMK also were there. Shri Dore Muruganji, Shri T.R. Baluji, and Shri Nehruji. So we had a preliminary introduction because I am also new here. So I spoke to him and it was a very cordial meeting, very good meeting. And I'm sure that Congress with the DMK and other parties, we are working very well together. On the 28th of this month, there is an agitation throughout Tamil Nadu of all the alliance parties together in every block, every assembly, every municipality on the situation in the country, in the state, of the policies of the central government and state government which are against the farmers, against the laborers, and it's a huge agitation taking place across the state in every block. So we discussed that, and of course we will be having further discussions later, but very cordially it was done. Secondly, I also want to wish that Shri SP Balasubramaniam ji recovers. I know he is very critical. I hope, because he is one of the most famous personalities this country has seen across all languages. He has sung songs, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Hindi, name any language. He has sung songs and is a personality everyone admires. So I hope God gives him the strength to fight and to recover, because we all want to see him singing again. So these are the few words I would like to say. Any other one or two questions? If you ask, I will answer. That's it.
Did you speak about any assembly elections, assembly elections?
Of course, we have to work hard. I have said Congress party will work hard. Congress party will also strengthen the alliance. Congress workers, leaders, we will also tour the whole state. Already our president is working out programs. He's already doing some programs. So we will involve all our leaders and strengthen the party. So through strengthening the Congress more, fighting for the people's rights, we will be also strengthening the alliance. So we want to see that the government is formed in Tamil Nadu under the leadership of Stalin, and the Congress will do its part to see that that government is formed. Okay?
Was there any talks about the Kanyakumari?
No. That not yet officially announced. So till then, we will not let the election be announced. Then we will take a decision on that. No, I am going to Kanyakumari on the 2nd along with the PCC President. So I will be meeting local leaders there and some small programs we are doing. Today also we have got senior leaders meeting. So Kanyakumari issue also will be discussed there, and what should be our strategy. Then we will take it further. I will be meeting in the next time when I come, because today I have less time. Definitely the other alliance party leaders also I will be meeting next time, and I will also be interacting with them. Okay.